Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the topic that is the applications of integral, the past two questions of this topic. So this is given the sketch the region bounded by the lines. These lines are given that is 2x plus y is equal to 8, y is equal to 4 and the y-axis, and hence obtain this area using integration. So first what we'll do, we'll write here which are the given lines. These are the given lines given. So we have to graph the given lines. So this is the equation given 2x plus y is equal to 8. So 2x is 8 as it is, plus y will go on the other side, that is going to be minus y. So here x will be what? 8 minus y, and this is multiplication, so it is going to get divided. So now look at here, this x, the value of x is, now you will take this one, that will be 8 divided by 2 is 4, and now you will put this one, that is y minus 2. So now we are going to graph it. So now we know what is that, y is 2 and y is 4. So now look at here, first thing, when y is 2, so when here, see, this is the equation 4 minus y by 2. So when y is 2, so what will you do here? 2 by 2, so that is going to be 3. So x is 3. So you will write the points 3 and 2. And when y is 4, so that will be x is equal to 4 minus y by 2. So that is 4 minus 4 by 2. So this is going to be 2. So that is 2 and 4. So 2 and 4, and this one, see, can you see here? 2 and 4 and 3 and 2. So y is 2, then the points are going to be 3 and 2. When y is 4, the points are going to be 2 and 4. So now see here, can you see here? Here this is 2 and this point is going to be 3. So here will be somewhere 1 and then 0. So now here this will be 0 on the y-axis, here 2 and here 4. So hope you got this one. So now the point was when it is here and here, there were 2 points over here. So just you will draw a line over here, and this is a 2x plus y is equal to 8. So this is the area which is the bounded this area. So this is the graph of it one. And now we want the area. So now what we are going to do, we are going to find out here, this is x. So that is going to be the required area of the x, that is x dy 2 and 4, which is that 2 and 4. Okay, 2 is to 4. So here, what do we get the x here? We have the x is 4 minus y by 2. That is 4 minus y by 2 dy. So now we are going to separate this one, 4 and this one. So how will you write here? Integration 2 to 4, 4 dy, this minus integration 2 to 4, that is y square dy. So now what we can do, we can take this outside and this will be inside the integration. Again here y by 2 will be 1 by 2 y. So 1 by 2 will take outside and y will go here. So now what will you do here? This 4 you will write as it is, and integration of dy is y. This 1 by 2 you will take outside, and integration of y dy, that is, you know, y, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is going to be y square by 2. And this 2 to 4. So now what will you do here? You will write here 4y as it is, and this is going to be y square, and this into this, that is going to be 4, and this 2 to 4. So now first let us take this one, that will be in place of y4, that will be 4 into 4. Again, what are we going to do? We will take here in place of this one, in this one, that is 4 square divided by 4. Now let us look for this one. Let us look for this 2. 4 into this one. Again for this one, that is 2 square divided by 4. So this will be 16 minus here 16 by 4 minus this 8, and here 4 divided by 4. So what we can do here, 16 minus 4 ones are 4 fours are, that will be 16 minus 4, and here 4, this will be 8 minus 1. So this is going to be 12 minus this is 7. The answer is 5. So here find the area of the minor segment of the circle x square plus y square is 4, cut off by the line x is equal to 1 using integration. So what is the equation given? Given equation of circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 4 and line is x is equal to 1. So whenever this is x square plus y square is 4, that 4 is nothing but that is r square. That is, you know, the general form, that is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So r square is 4. So r is going to be 2. So now what are we going to do? First we are going to graph the. So now that r is 2, so we are going to take a circle. This will be 2 and this r is going to be plus or minus 2. So here you will draw a circle. This is 2 and this is minus 2. Again, this also will be 2 and this also is going to be a minus 2. And they said here this x is 1. So now you know this on the x-axis. So this is 1. So you will draw a straight line over here. So this is the shaded part of it. And here you can just write the equation x square plus y square is equal to 4. Hope you got this graph. So now we have the equation x square plus y square is 4. So from that one, what we can do, y square, we can just find this one. Or we can take y square over here. This will be 4 as it is. This will go plus on the other side. It will be minus. So we will find out what is y first. So y will be, when we square both the sides, so this will be y, 4 minus x square. So now this is, we have the required area, that is 2 here, and we are going to take the y dx. So here 1 to 2, because this is, yeah, so now it's given here, the radius is 2 and this x is 1. So here what are we going to do here? This will be 1 to 2, this will be y dx. So this one we are going to take for this one. So now see here 2, that will be, y will be, what is y? Y is root of 4 minus x square dx. And here, now look at here. This will be 2. First, when we take 2 over here, this will be 2 square. We can write this 2 square. And this we'll write as it is. Why? Because we have the formula, that is root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. So now this you have to remember the formula. So now what will you do? You know this is x square, x by 2, a square means that will be 2 square. This will be as it is. Now again a square means 2 square. Sine inverse, now see this is just, this will be x square is, so here a square is 2 square. So a is going to be just 2. So hope you got this. This a is going to be 2. A square is a square, 2 square. So a is going to be just 2. So that is, because that is 4. So that is going to be 2. So here 1 to 2. So now what will you do? You will, this whole, you will just multiply with this one. Then what will you take? The second part, this whole thing with this one. So see here, this 2 you have done for this one along with this one, and plus then again 2 along with this one. So you know here what you have written, this 2 square is 4. Rest everything is the same. So now what we can do, we will take, we'll cut this one, we'll cut this one. So what remains here is x, and here 2 2s are 4, 4 minus x square. Again here what remains is 4, and here sine inverse, and here x by 2, that is 1 to 2. So now you know this is 2. So you will, wherever you see x, you are going to write 2. So 4 minus this 2 square means that is going to be 4, plus 4 sine inverse here 2 by 2. So wherever you see x, you are going to write first 2, then minus, then what are you going to do? You are going to think of this 1. So wherever you see x, you are going to write 1. 4 minus 1 square is going to be 1 only, plus 4 sine inverse, this, wherever you see this, you are going to write 1. So now what you can see, 2 into this 4 minus 4 means 0. So you don't have to think this will be 0. Now see here, 4 sine inverse, that is, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, that is 1. So that is, wherever you get 1, that is 180, that is pi by 2. That will be 90. So that is going to be pi by 2. So here what are you going to write here? This 4 into pi by 2 minus here root 3. And here what are you going to write here? 4 sine inverse 1 by 2 means that is going to be 1 by 2 means that is going to be pi by 6. So now here 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are, the 2 threes are, and 2 fours are, 2 twos are. So here remains is 2 pi minus root 3, here 2 pi by 3. So now you can take, when you take the LCM here, so what are you going to take? You are going to take the LCM over here. So here what will you get here? 6 pi. Here you will get 3 root 3, and here you will get just 2 pi. So now you will take this 2 together, that will be 4 pi minus 3 root 3. And now you will separate this one, that is 4 pi by 3. And when you separate this, that will be 3 root 3 by 3. And now this and this gets cancelled. So that will be 4 pi by 3 minus root 3 square unit. So now this one, using integration, find the area of the region bounded by y is equal to mx, this one, and the x-axis. So the given lines are y is equal to mx. So here x1 and this one, and x-axis, that is whenever there is x-axis means y should be 0. So we are going to plot this with this graph. So now look at the graph. So on the basis of that, you can just look at the graph. So y is 0. So here it will start from here. This is the y is, because this is going to be 0, y is 0. So y is equal to mx here. And now this we will take these 2 points here. So this is 1 and this is 2. X is 1 and x is 2. So here this is the region, that is AB. So now this one, this is, we can just name it anything. Here I just name it PQRS. So this is this PQRS. So now let us take the area. Area is this, because this is 1 and this is 2. 1 is 1 to 2, that is y dx. So what we have, y is what is given here, that is y is mx. So in place of this y, we have written here mx dx. So m will take it outside this one, and x dx, and then integration of x dx, that is x square by 2, that is 2 this one. So now x square by 2 means we can take half common outside, and this x square will be inside. So x square means, now see here, we can also write one step over here. This is half outside, and here x square, divide this x square, and then you are going to put here 2 and 1. So here x square means this 2 goes to here, that is going to be 4, and this will be minus 1. So you can write this one step. So here m into 1 by 2 as it is, and this is going to be 3, and which is a is 3 by 2 m square units. So now integration, find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum. So given this is given as y square is equal to 4ax, then the equation of lattice rectum is x is equal to a, and this is given. So we will draw the graph first. So now y square is equal to ax. So here x is a. So this is the graph for that. So now the required area means it is the twice of area of, see here it's given here, using find the area of the region bounded by parabola y square is equal to and its lattice rectum. So the required area is twice of area. This is a. See, can you see here? It is the twice of the area of AOL. It's the same. So it is the twice of area AOL. So now we will write here 2O to A, that is y dx, and here what do you have? Y square is equal to 4ax. So y is going to be, when you square it, that will be root of 4ax. So that will be y is equal to root of 4 means 2, and this ax will go in the, this will be in the root. So can you see here? 2. So instead of writing here, I had done the calculation over here. I had separated it for the convenience so that we can take outside here. So root of 2, this we can take outside, and root of x we can keep outside. Otherwise, you can write this one, and then in the second step, you can separate this one. So this is taken outside. So now this is 4 root a, and this is root of x dx. Rest everything is the same. And this, see, root of x is going to be x 1 by 2 dx. So now this we can also write as now x 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is going to be 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 when we take the integration of that. And this 0 to a as it is. So now this can be flipped over. That is, will be 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2. And this is 0 to a. So now we will multiply this one. So this is going to be 4 into 2 by 3. That will be 8 by 3 root a as it is. And in place of this one, x, what we can do? We can write this a. So a 3 by 2. And when we put here 0, so that will be 0. 0, 3 by 2, that is going to be 0. So this we can also write this as 8 by 3 as it is. Root of a we can write as a raised to 1 by 2. And this is a 3 by 2 raised to 3 by 2. So now 8 by 3 as it is. Now the base is the same, so the exponent should be same. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So that is going to be 4 by 2. So this is 4 by 2. And when we cut that, that is going to be 2. So that will be 8 by 3. And this is a square units. So by this one, we have completed our today's work. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.